Next move?
Spring the trap.
R2, go back. I need you to stay with the ship.
Yeah, take this. Wait for orders.
Situation, Captain!
2 Jedi have landed in the main hangar bay. We're tracking them.
Just as Count Dooku predicted.
Destroyers.
Drop your weapons! You are surrounded by armed bastards! On your...
Well, there's more than one way out of here.
You don't want to get out.